Every product in our lives has an impact on the environment, on the way it's produced, and food is no different.
Dr. Juan Diego Martinez has been researching how the food we eat is affecting the earth at UBC's Institute for Resources, Environment, and Sustainability. Why is food directly correlated to climate change?
Oh, food has a lot to do with climate change, like up to a third of all world, like global greenhouse gas emissions are associated to food systems. Food and climate are deeply intertwined.
His latest work shows that 40% of the global population need to change their diets to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that are warming our planet. In Canada, that number jumps to at least 90%.
And what we wanted to understand was where in the world were the people that would kind of have to change their eating habits so that we could meet the Paris climate target of staying below 2 degrees of warming. Not everybody has to make an equal change. There are some places in the world and some individuals within those countries that have to make a bigger change.
Martinez says there are several practices Canadians can take to help while buying groceries.
In terms of climate, we would be trying to get anything that was produced during this harvest season. Mostly of the apples is the one that grew up locally, also the pears, squash, also long shelf life and also locally produced.
Amid soaring food costs, there's one pricey meat to cut that also produces some of the worst greenhouse gas emissions. So we have a wide range of animal products here. We have beef, we have veal, we have lamb. What would you point to first and what would you pick up first in terms of how much greenhouse gas emissions it's going to?
So one thing that we can see right away is that price points greatly vary per kilogram of product. So for a lot of people, that's going to be the decision point. Mostly right now, a lot of Canadians are like feeling sticker prices going up. And then if you move over to the chicken, you can see that it's actually even less pricey than the beef product. So it's usually one of those decisions where it's not about making a more sustainable choice that's also pricier. Usually by reducing beef consumption, you're saving money, and by switching off entirely to plant-based proteins, you're actually making even further savings.
While individual and institutional action both need to take place, Martinez says we all need to do our part.
But every fraction of a degree that we avoid saves lives, makes the climate less bad in the future.
In Coquitlam, Shailee Shah, City News.